Have you ever wondered how Lipitor lowers your cholesterol? Let's take a look.
It begins with your liver, which is an organ in the right upper quadrant of your tummy here. Now, when you talk to most people and ask them, well, what is the function of your liver? Most people will say it's a detox center, but that's only half the story. Your liver is actually an amazing chemical wizard. Let's take a look. So your liver can take things like oils from eggs, proteins from things like meat, and carbohydrates from things like toast. And it can take these three raw materials that seem to have nothing to do with cholesterol and magically, chemically convert them into cholesterol. In fact, your liver is so effective at making cholesterol, you can make up to 1,000 milligrams a day. A typical egg has in about 187 milligrams of cholesterol. So why does your body even make cholesterol? Well, it turns out cholesterol is an essential part of life for us. We actually need some cholesterol because every cell in your body is encased in a membrane, and cholesterol acts as a fluidity buffer for those membranes. Cholesterol is also essential for making your hormones like cortisol, your testosterone, your estrogen, and your progesterone. Cholesterol is also essential to breaking down fats. It's part of making bile acid. And we also, using the sunlight, can make vitamin D through our skin, also using cholesterol. The problem is when we have too much cholesterol, it ends up floating around in our body and gets deposited in blood vessels, creating blockages, which is what then causes heart attacks and strokes. So that's where statins come in, which gives us back control of how much cholesterol we're making. So it turns out the liver has a specific enzyme called HMG-CoA that statins can target. When you take a statin, it acts like a stop sign for this specific enzyme, blocking it. Now, when the cells in the liver, the hepatocytes, realize that their own stores of cholesterol are being depleted, the liver then sends out some signals, some little receptors for LDL, which is your bad cholesterol, trying to suck it back up from the bloodstream and pull it back into the liver. So, as cholesterol floats by, these receptors grab it from your bloodstream and pull it back into the liver to be recycled. So because of that effect, pulling it back into the liver, and this effect stopping it being output from the liver, you essentially lower your overall cholesterol load and thereby reducing your risk of heart attacks and strokes. And that is how all statins work. Thanks for watching, and you're welcome.